If you're looking at your point cloud mode, you can see it's highlighted blue to show active. I want you to take a look at the drop down box that you see on the top left hand side. Now you're seeing here there's a date, and this is showing the point cloud because of the grid you can see here. The icon is telling me this is point cloud, and this is the initial point cloud. If we look, we've got a couple in here. The initial one, which was captured in October 2022. We have an additional point cloud that was captured at the end of November the same year, which is showing the framing. And we're also seeing one which was captured December 15th, which is showing the progress. So let's go back to our initial, and I'm going to just jump into the point cloud here. And let's take a look around. So we can see here we've got the concrete. It's all poured. They've got the stairs over here. There's a little bit of work done on the stairs. They've got those in. But let's look at it over time now. So I'm going to look at the framing. So this is the same view. We're just going to change this to the point cloud, which is framing. So we're seeing exactly the same area. But this time we're seeing a little bit more work's being done. So let's pop down to this end. And we can see this is looking a little bit more complete. And if we want to change that again to the most recent, we're now seeing that progress. So we're seeing some of the mechanical equipment's been installed. There's a lot of some of the drywalls going up. You can see more equipment ready there. There's more building materials, the framing around the elevators. Again, let's pop backwards and see that one. It was just the framing and the initial scans. So you are able to layer your point clouds over time as the project progresses.